In order to shade with confidence, you have to understand the lighting condition in a scene. By lighting condition, I mean the direction of the light, the distance between the light source and the object you're shading, the size and softness of the light, the amount of ambient light, and a few other elements. There's a fantastic tool for analyzing lighting conditions that visual effects artists are using when they're working on movies. It's called a light probe. Look at this frame from the movie Prometheus. On the set, it actually looked a lot different. As you can see, the actors and physical elements of the set have been combined with digital elements to create the final image. To make this possible, visual effects artists capture light probes to record information on the lighting in a scene. A computer program called a render engine can use the light probes to shade a virtual object in a way that matches the original lighting and makes it look as if the object was actually in the same scene. You can see the probes in the top right, and you may have noticed that there are two light probes. One is for reflections, the other one is for shading. Or, to be more precise, specular reflections and diffuse reflections. In the specular probe, you can see the light sources. You can see the position, size, and color of each light in the scene. In the diffuse probe, you can see the effect of these light sources on the shading. Most materials around us are a combination of specular and diffuse reflection. Here's a chrome ball that only has specular reflection, and here's a matte ball that only has diffuse reflection. If we combine them, we get something like this billiard ball, specular plus diffuse reflection. We can use light probes in drawing and painting to help us with creating realistic shading. It can guide your shading when you're drawing from observation, and it can help you when you're drawing from imagination as well. Here's illustrator James Gurney using a Christmas ornament as his light probe in the little maquette he's built, and then applying the information to the imaginative image. This is magical and powerful, because light probes allow you to understand any light situation you encounter, solve shading problems, and invent light and shadow, which gives you freedom.